Hola, en el día de hoy les voy a enseñar a conseguir el rifle carcano. Lo primero que hay que hacer es hacer la misión de rombo de ganado con uncle.
What do you want?
Oh, don't be like that. This is a good one.
Yeah, it always is with you. Until we start getting shot at.
Well, have you ever been shot at by a cow?
Whose cows?
This drunken rancher up at Hill Haven Ranch. He's such a flop that we could take a whole marching band up there and steal, and he still wouldn't wake up. And he's a son of a bitch. He said unkind things about me.
It ain't all bad then.
I owe you after last time. This could be my make good.
I don't know.
I need you. You know those two bastards that buy stolen livestock.
Sure, I know them. I don't like them.
I'll give you 60% of the take.
How many cows?
I don't know, small herd, I guess. 20 maybe?
20, huh? Come on.
Okay, let's mount up. Let's get up there on foot from here. Don't want the horses clopping around outside the window. Come, let's take a closer look. Oh, shit. Look. Over there.
The hell? Who are these clowns?
I don't know. This is the first time I ever seen anyone else here. Let's sneak up closer.
What? Where the hell you going?
Tendremos que llegar aquí y hacer esto.
Hurry up.
Tendremos que abrir la cerradura con el arco.
That was loud.
Yeah, well, we ain't got time. You said it.
Entraremos a la casa del granjero.
I'll get him out. Right up next to the house to keep him from running off on us.
Y lo desarmaremos al sujeto.